Welcome back guys for the new video. In this video I'm going to show how to replace my, or at least how to replace light bulb in Honda CBR300. This is 2015 model. I've been doing for the last, I would say 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes. I was kind of confused at first how to do it, but then I figured, so I thought, you know what, I should share with everyone out there so you don't have to struggle, or at least it's kind of tricky. But I'll show you the light bulb that comes with the bike and the one I purchased. Again, this is the light bulb that you get it with the motorcycle. It's just, of course, the old-fashioned halogen light bulb. You can see. This is the one you get it. And this is the one I purchased. Let me remove this little black piece, and that's where I'll show you in a little bit. But basically, you unplug this like that. There you go. But yeah, this is the one I purchased. It's LED. I tested it. It works pretty bright, but you can see it has the same cut, same latch, same everything. So yeah, the very first thing is you don't have to remove anything, which is the pretty nice about changing the light bulb in. I mean, I guess you don't have to do in car either, but there's enough space. You can just put your hands. So this is the boot that basically sits on the top, and this little guy that basically sits. It's like a little adapter, I should say. Again, this kind of goes inward inside the light bulb or inside the headlight after the boot. So the only thing that sticks out outside is that plug, which you can see here. This little guy, this is the plug, and there's a little kind of button you see on the corner. This little button. So it doesn't come out unless you press. You have to press and then pull it, then it basically comes out. Yeah, I was trying before without pressing this thing and it was giving me a hard time. But yeah, you press, pull it, and once you pull it, this boot, literally you just hold this thing and pull the whole boot out. And then little clip inside that you may be able to see, this little metal pin. Let me bring this puppy here. There you go. Then you have to move this metal pin and the whole light bulb assembly comes out. And to install this thing, you first have to connect this little adapter to this. Let me just do it and I'll show you again. Okay, this is connected. Now you can see how it plugs in. This basically black piece that was there already before, and this is a new light bulb. So this is like a little tricky, and that's why I guess I decided to make this video. You can see how the shape is. So you have to remember when you plug this light bulb, it has to, this little cut or this arrow looking thing, this piece, this little thing has to go up. Now when you plug this black piece, it's a little tricky. You see how it looks pretty much same other than this little design here. Now this has to go down. So again, this little piece cut goes up. This little lock or whatever the additional piece is, that's the only thing different. Everything else looks the same. This has to go down. Now the light bulb has to go like this. Again, look at it. I should hold my phone like this, but yeah, look at it. The bike is standing like that to the ground. This little cut up, and this little design looking thing down or sideways or diagonal. But I can show you how it fits in now. Okay, look at this. See how the light bulb is sitting now. Pretty straight. It sits and it's basically go in that hole. You can see the light bulb from the front. But yeah, let me put the pin back in and I'll show you in a second. There you go. It basically, the pin is back in, and what the pin does is simply hold from two sides. See, you have to just push it a little bit and it's going to come out. There you go. You see how it came out? There's a little latch on the corner, basically right hand side of the bike. I mean, I'm doing the right light, so it's on the right hand side. So I believe if you're doing the left hand side, this latch will be on the left hand side. You simply press in, and there's a little arrow. Maybe I'll try to show you here. You see this little screw right here? That's where the latch is. Let me try to maybe give you a better view. It's even hard for me to get in one time. There you go. It's in now. But there you go. You see how it's latched in? And now it's holding the bulb in, and yeah, it's pretty tight. See, I'm trying to wiggle. The bulb. It's not getting loose, but it's not even solid tight. It's pretty tight, but there you go. But yeah, this is in perfect, nice and easy. And now I have to put the boot back in, which let me do it and I'll show you how the boot looks like. All right, so the boot is back on. So this is how the boot looks like. But I think that's the best view I can get. And now all you have to do is take that plug it in. But again, remember guys, this is LED bulb, so you cannot choose either way. It has to be the right way. So I'm gonna test it. I guess I'm gonna put like a loosely, which I can show you. I'm gonna just plug loosely here to see the light lit up. Let's see. Let's see. Yep, 8. No, it didn't. There you go. It did light up. Yep, you can see the LED. But now I'm gonna press it all the way in. You will hear a little click. Or maybe not. But no, you didn't hear the click. But now if you try to pull it, you can see I cannot pull this back. You have to press. This is the button I was talking about. You have to press and then pull it. See how the light went off? See, the light is off now. Now you have to, there you go. See, the light is on. But yeah, I mean, I didn't hear the click, but this basically kind of latch itself. But there you go. Done. There you go, guys. See? So that's, of course, my shed. And the second one, I have not done it, but second is the normal light. But you can see the difference. Yeah, it's pretty bright. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Once again, this is the light bulb. I'm gonna put the description box of, I believe it's H11 or IH9. Don't go by my words yet. Let me go on my computer and I'll let you know. But this is the original one and the LED one is in there now. But anyway, thank you for watching. It was a quick video. I thought you learned something new. Have a nice day.